I will connect these cables now to this terminal. You can see on the terminal we have 3 SL. We have 2L, we have 1N, and we have S. So watch as I connect them now to the terminal. First of all, connect your light to the 2L on the terminal. And screw it, tight it. You see? Then the next one is connect the 3S, which is the starting wire, to the terminal. And screw it, tight it very well to the terminal. After that, you connect the blue wire to the 1N, which is the neutral wire, and screw it very well to the terminal. And then the last one is the earth wire. I told you before that the earth wire is always green and yellow. You can see green and yellow. So this is always and mostly the earth wire. And then screw it. You can see the earth logo very close to the neutral wire. You can see that logo. Anyway, you see that logo, that is earth. That logo signifies earth. So always connect your earth wire to that logo on the AC terminal. Once again, this brown is the live wire, the black is the starting wire, the blue is the neutral wire, and this green and yellow is the earth wire. This is an inverter AC. You can see that this is the inverter panel, the outdoor inverter panel. You can see the compressor is making a very big noise, and we are here to correct the noise. What you're seeing now is the outdoor, and the outdoor house the following component. This is the terminal where you connect the cables to. This is the terminal. Then we have the inverter panel. This is the panel. Okay. Then we have the condenser. This is what we call the condenser. This is the condenser. You can see it. This is a copper pipe with condenser. You understand? So this is the fan, the outdoor fan. This fan is here to blow out the condensation. This one here is the motor. This is the engine. This whole unit is nothing without this compressor. We call this compressor. It is the one that houses the gas and also responsible for the transfer of gas. You understand?